I have decided to make this video because I do hear many people talk about original Ghanaian diet. Let us go back to eating the food that our forefathers consumed. We hear that a lot. Let us forget about the food brought by the white man. We hear that a lot. Well, you will be in a shock after watching this video. What is the original Ghanaian staple? What produce did our forefathers grow in the days before the arrival of the white man? According to research, our forefathers grew crops like millet, sorghum, cowpea, yam, and oil palm. They also reared animals like cow, sheep, goat, and guinea fowl. It would therefore not take science for you to know the original Ghanaian diet. The first European nation to touch Ghanaian soil were the Portuguese. They first set foot in Ghana in the year 1471. This arrival subsequently led to what is known as the Columbian Exchange. What is the Columbian Exchange? The Columbian Exchange, also known as the Columbian Interchange, was the widespread transfer of plants, animals, culture, human populations, technology, diseases, and ideas between the Americas, the Old World, and West Africa in the 15th and 16th century. It was named after Christopher Columbus. The Europeans introduced crops like maize, plantain, taro, cassava, sweet potato, alatawata yam, wheat, groundnut, avocado pear, sugarcane, coconut, pineapple, guava, cabbage, carrot, and tomato into the Ghanaian agriculture space. They also introduced animals like duck and turkey into the country. The Europeans brought most of these crops and animals from South America, North America, and Europe. Maize and cassava has over the years replaced sorghum and millet as the most important food crop in Ghana. Whenever you are eating local delicacies like banku and fufu, remember that it is not the diet that our forefathers began with. So now when talking about food brought into Ghana by the white man, don't think only about these. One thing for certain is that the Europeans introduced some of the food crops to Ghana, but never influenced the way we cook them. When eating these delicacies, don't forget to give credit to the ingenuity and creativity of our bygone women and any man who cared to cook so as to leave a legacy of sumptuous meals on our tables. I will leave you with a trivia. A bro that can word for maize is of Portuguese origin. Thank you very much for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment.